Hi, it's Liz Hoppy from Wainimi. I want to show you how to add activity slides to your presentation in Nearpod. So we've already gone through and added the Google slide presentation, so we're going to edit. The way that I make my slide presentations is I put in red slides to show me where I want to put activities. So as we scroll through, you can see. So all you need to do, I'm going to delete this first one that gives directions. And there are a couple of different ways to do this. You can right click, add a slide, add activity, and choose draw it. And the question here was, draw something you are pretty good at. And then I save. So you can go through and right click, and then you want to delete the red slide. So you can go through and right click to add. You can also click add slide. So I'll show you what that does. If I add activity, that was an open-ended question. When you are doing something that is difficult, how do you feel? And then I'm going to delete that original. Now you can see when I use the add slide button, it puts it down at the bottom. So I have to drag it up. And then delete. So that's why I usually use right click. Okay. Now for a video, to add a video, that's actually, I'm going to add content and choose video. Okay. And then I need the URL for the video. That's actually a paid feature though. So if I had the gold edition paid, I would just put in the URL of the YouTube video there. Since I don't, since I'm working on the free, what I do is I just put in this slide that has the address down here. So when I'm leading it as a teacher, I can see the address and I can go to that slide and show the whole class. So I'm just going to delete that video slide. Okay, so what you need to do is go down and replace these red slides with activity slides. I'm going to come back when I get to the quiz. Okay, so I added in all the rest of the activity slides. And now I'm at the quiz. The quiz is the same. I go to add slide, add activity, and then I go to quiz. I'm going to title my quiz. And then I'm going to add my question and my options. Okay, I can add an answer. And then I check my right answer. This is different than a poll because a poll would have a multiple choice question, but you don't have a right answer for it. But a quiz is going to have right answers. Now I can add as many answers as I need to. I can also add questions. So if I want more than one question, I just add it right here. And then I save. And I delete my placeholder slide. And then I'm done. So I scroll through, everything looks the way I want it to, so I'm going to save and exit. And then I'm done. So when I'm ready to launch my lesson with my students, I would come in. I can either choose live lesson, which is the one that the teacher leads, or I can choose student paced. Student paced though is a premium feature. So if you have the gold edition, student paced would let you start the lesson and students can check in whenever. This is great for a center. But if you don't have that premium edition, then live lesson is what you do. And you can see when you click live lesson, it automatically gives you this screen with the code. So you can just write that code on the board, you can post it in Google Classroom, but really it's just 5 letters. It doesn't matter capital or not. And then students can join. So that's how you add your slides to your lesson and you're ready to go. If you wanted to edit it again here, you could. If you wanted to preview it to see what it's going to look like, you can. And up here, you can share it with other teachers so they can use it too. Or you can duplicate it. And here's a shortcut to get to reports. The other way to get to reports is in the rainbow house and you click down here. All right, have fun with Nearpod.